Hey everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Planner Lover here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the last week of June into the first week of July, the 26th through July 2nd in my catch-all planner using the glorious brand new festivals kit from ReddHeadStickers. This kit was sent to all of the girls on the PR team as a promo so we could share the amazing kits that she has recently released. I am very obsessed with this. It is perfect for your summer concerts or summer festivals or just a fun, exciting spread. I'm not going on any summer concerts or festivals, but I really love this kit. I have to use it, and it is so adorable. So if you guys are wanting to get your own kit, you can use my code Megan for 15% off of your order and receive my really cute freebie. It is summer themed, so you've got a cruise boat, some summer themed items from beach, a little cocktail, and of course a camera, because we cannot forget about the glorious camera. I always have to have a camera in my freebies. So let's go ahead and get started. If you saw last week's video, I did the Pride spread for the final full week of the month, and I loved it. Let's start probably with our sidebar and the date covers. Let me see what kind of washi we got to work with here as well. So let's start, actually, before we do the sidebar, we're going to start with the washi. And we are going to place it like so. I absolutely love this kit. It is so pretty. And of course, I am extremely obsessed with all of ReddHeadStickers kits because they are gorgeous and beautiful and perfect, just like her amazing, amazing other kits. I'm going to really need to get some more because I've been on a no spend and my no spend is over, so I can finally get more stuff. So I'm very excited. Okay, we're going to use this washi along with this to cover up the spine because y'all know I don't like this color. Not a fan. No thank you. But I do like doing the spine here, so let me get my handy dandy white out. Alrighty, got that down. Now it is time for our date covers, and I think I'm gonna just go ahead and use these because why not? Why waste the sticker when you can use it? So we're gonna The sticker decided to rip on me because of course it did. So gotta be careful now. I was getting very excited and I ripped it like the silly person that I am. Okay. Perfect. Alright, so let me go ahead and put the date covers on. This is looking super cute. I'm excited. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's put this fun girl on the sidebar. Oops. I am just going to go ahead, place it right at the top. And then we are going to put my work schedule here. I also need my habits. But I think we're just going to stick with the work schedule this week because I haven't really been tracking my habits in my catch-all. I've been tracking them in my Artake planner. So I think we're just going to stick with that. But I have been tracking my work schedule in here. So we've got that. And I do have a work schedule sticker that I will put on there in a minute. Let's get some plans on here because it's looking a little blank. So let's see. Monday I'm actually off. So let's put a really big to-do list here. And let's get these boxes. We're going to do the purple one. And oh, I'm going to get this weekend banner here so I can use that. Put it on Friday and Saturday because those are my off days and that is my weekend. I always get a lot of questions on my Instagram about why I put my weekend banner when I was off on Thursdays, Fridays. Why would I put my weekend banner there? And I'm like, because that's my weekend. I'm off on, I don't actually have a weekend off. You know what I mean? So let's do the this week sticker right here. And put some boxes. I think we're going to do the shoes and probably the flowers. I'm gonna do it this way. Okay, and then we have, go ahead and get these plans here. We have, let's see, what size? Oh, here, we're going to use this day off sticker because I never use it because I'm always, you know, I'm working. We'll do the yellow. And got the day off, and so we are going to use which one? I am going to be relaxing on my day off. I am not doing much. So I'm going to use these. And I just realized I need to move this sticker down because it's not going to make too much sense unless I move it a little bit. Okay. Thinking, how do I want to do this? Maybe like that. Yeah. There we go. Okay, back to our plans. We have payday on Tuesday. Let's see. Yeah, we'll do this sticker here with Money Phoebe. So we've got payday on Tuesday. Tuesday we also have bills due, so we will use the bill due sticker. And let's do yellow again here. Gotta get it. Probably should put Heyday at the top. Like right here. And then Buildu here. Oh my goodness, I have laid this sticker down crooked. There we go. That's better. Okay, Buildu. Oh, and then the credit card. Okay, then I'll write the bills there. Wednesday is grocery day, so I'm gonna put purple. There, and then the grocery Phoebe here. And I know that I've got to have this cleaning list somewhere, but I do really want some more of these boxes as well. So I definitely want these girls, and I think I'm going to combine that with this box. And then I do like the van and the flowers. Or, sorry, these are feathers, not flowers. Goodness gracious. So let's put feathers and van. Okay, and then I do need this cleaning list. And I'm going to just put it, I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to use probably the yellow. Yeah, we'll use yellow for cleaning. So we have clean. If this will come off. I think we have a cleaning Phoebe. That's laundry, meal prep. Okay, so we have a cleaning bottle though. Okay. We have reached the point where it is time for me to just put some plans down and put some deco down and see how things go, because I'm thinking that there are some other things that need to go on here, but I'm not quite sure. So let's go ahead and add boxes and deco, and then we'll go from there. that is it for this week's Plan With Me and my catch-all spread using the Festivals kit from ReddHeadStickers. It is super cute. I think it turned out really, really awesome, and I love all of the little added pieces, and that I used every single item in this kit was used ReddHeadStickers, and it just makes me so happy. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you want to save 15% off of your order from her Etsy, you can use my code Megan and you'll save 15% off of your order, and you can get my freebie. Don't forget to check out the other girls' freebies. They have really awesome summer themed items as well. If you're interested in seeing how I decorate my catch-all spreads week by week, I have a playlist dedicated to that in the description box below. It is titled Plan With Me. It will also be linked at the end of the video as well if you are interested in checking out the rest of my planning content or anything else that I share. I have a bunch of different playlists related to planning and non-planning, crafting, supplies, hauls, lots of fun stuff. They're all in the description box in different playlists. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you are notified when I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!